DODOPEN, or DODOPEN, is a product that you hang on a ceiling. It's a light, very slim, so if you got a low profile ceiling like I do, this may be right for you. It's made of plastic, it's got a frosted cover, and there are a number of units out there. Luxurious Sim Sailing Fan, 101 and 102, there's a square and a circle. And I'm going to hang it right up here, and it should sense when you walk by, turn on, I believe. So the instructions are there. Let's open it up, check them out. Where are the wires? You take this thing, you spin it. It should release. And there are the leads right there. And there's a hanging air hook. So this way the lanyard strap will help you hold this up there to hang. You get anchors and screws to hang up, so let's go do that. When you plug in your light, it'll go on. It's going to sense you when you walk by. So we'll sit back over here and keep motionless. After 30 seconds it shuts off. As we start to move, it comes right on, just like that. This is a great light that you need to put in a hallway that could detect you. It's a wireless motion sensor light that was seconds. Very easy to install, very flush to the ceiling. Great for like a bathroom, a living room, a warehouse, an office, a storefront, wherever you need to put lamps. Now this thing is doors to put in, but you can put in a day room, anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is right, for you.